do my COVID test and ended up shopping like bare bags though. Um, but I'm going home now and I'm tired. I'm not I need to go in my bed to sit down or something. But yeah, people are looking for me, so I'm going to my business. Bye.
Hi guys, so thank you guys for watching. This is me trying my hand at doing a vlog, but as you can see, it's very shaky, so I set it up so that I'm not have to endure that, but I still wanted you guys to see that I'm trying to do, something fun and light-hearted on the channel. This vlog is basically my journey home from the shopping center and my journey to and from work. Um, so this is basically for those who like to watch people go places and yeah, like if you never see England yet, see it your girl. um, but yeah, I am just like the video. I'm trying, so just like the video for encouragement. All right, I'm going to do better. If you want to see better vlogs, like this video. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet, guys, because I'm watching the analytics. Oh, here I am. This is the next day. I'm going to work now. Um, but yeah, I realized based on the analytics that a lot of persons that are watching haven't subscribed as yet. So guys, please subscribe. Just hit the subscription button if you haven't clicked it already. If you look at the subscription button right now and it's red, please click it and make it gray. Please, please, please. Alright, so fix up the mask, girl, because we can't pay no fine. And I showed this to Jay and him like, how so much bush they offering? Yes, guys, bush everywhere. Oxygen. But anyways, yeah. Encouragement certainly by now. So let me know if you want to see more vlogs and thing. Alright. You didn't push it up now? I'm still a little bit on talk with you. I don't know. Go and watch the video and we'll come back. Oh, my reach work. So I'm going to stay with you guys. I'm coming off the train now to go to work, and this is very awkward as well, guys. That's why you're seeing a lot of the floor because the whole lot of camera in front of you not easy, because when people are staring at you, get like a hand sanitizer sheet, no COVID, no near. Alright. Yeah, but when people staring at you, it's not the easiest thing. So I'm trying, guys. I'm trying to give. I'm trying to give you guys, a variety of things on this channel. So I do hope you are enjoying it. Alright, so I'm almost at work, so this is going to cut off any minute now, and then I'm going to start talking to you guys. But the audio is a little low, so turn up your volume.
Hi guys. I just left work. So it's kind of hard to like vlog. It's so hard because I not really do nothing. Like I not do nothing more than go work and go home. So yeah. But I've been showing you my journey to work. Now I'm waiting for the train to go home. Oh lord. Yeah. I literally have nothing to say because I'm not.
1821 Southern service to London Victoria via Norbury, calling at Carshalton Beaches, Wallington, Wadham, West Croydon, Selhurst, Thornton Heath, Norbury, Streatham.
Anyways, my God, because people are going to look for me.
Clapham Junction.
I'm considering like literally writing a minute back. Anyways, let's go, guys. Let me stay up a front here so because when I go way crowd. Whoa.
London Victoria, calling at Ashleton Beaches, Wallington, Wadham, West Croydon, Selhurst, Thornton Heath, Norbury, Streatham Common, Balham, Wandsworth Common, Clapham Junction, Battersea Park, and London
Okay,
Victoria.
guys, so we're coming to
Destination
the
is Ashleton
end.
Beaches.
Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks to all of you who have already subscribed. We appreciate you. Give the video a thumbs up for more vlogs. And yeah, this was my first one, and it is shaky. And all I see is a bunch of traveling on bush and road and all of that. But I'm going to try to get like better quality vlogs and all of that. So give me a thumbs up for encouragement. Encouragement labor. So give me a thumbs up for encouragement so that I can, you know, get my vlogging on and make it a bit more fun, you know, so that it's not just about, while the channel is about upliftment and talking about different situations, you don't want it to be all about that because that's kind of, you know, painful and you have to be in the right mood to hear certain things. So I want to have a little bit of fun sometimes, and yeah, so this is me on my way home from work. And anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to try to do videos where I don't have to do a voiceover. Yeah.
The southern service to London Victoria, calling at Sutton, Ashleton Beaches, Wallington, Wadham.
So I hope you enjoyed this one though. Oh, look at me, I'm in the supermarket now. Going to pick up a few things. Yeah. But anyways, I think this video ends very abruptly. So again, thanks for watching, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't, and like the video for encouragement. Thanks, guys.
Need water, you know. Look at this water. I'm not buying ice cream because certain people will cuss me and tell me say me no fit drink no milk. So, because me no want to get no coffee, I just walk away. Pizza though. Me love this. Alright, I'm going to cook my case of water now. And I can vlog and do that. So, see you guys.
Okay, guys, so as I check out my few things from the supermarket, I just want to tell you again, thank you for watching, and I hope that you like the video for encouragement so that I can know if you want more vlogs, better vlogs and all of that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all of you who have subscribed. And thank you to those who watch but them not subscribe. I hope that one day you'll find something that, you know, make you feel like you want to stay over here for a while and subscribe. Anyways, guys, see ya.